Hi everyone, this is Design Studio Ideas and welcome to my channel. On this channel, I bring you home decoration and home design ideas. In this video, I'm going to show you modern wardrobe design. The beauty of bedroom is not only just due to its decorating and dressing. Wardrobe gives an aesthetic beauty to the bedroom. This gives more area for storing huge and small items such as clothes, bed sheets, curtains, etc. in an organized manner. Nowadays, there is a lot of material available in the market from which you can choose the clothes which are modern in look and have an elegant wardrobe design with ample amount of space. Wardrobe are actually an idea which you can modify in any way. They will make your simple cupboards look more special and elegant. There are several types of wardrobe based on material and number of doors which you can choose from your bedroom. The two-door waving sliding wardrobe is the one with two sliding doors on both sides. It has many shelves and drawers for putting hangers, clothes and other accessories such as wallets and belts. It looks very stylish from outside and similarly from inside it has everything placed in an aesthetic manner. Hence you have a lot of space to arrange things properly. If you want one of the best brands for sliding door wardrobe, choose Waving Wardrobe. If you want one of the best brand for sliding door wardrobe, choose Waving Wardrobe. And other wardrobe with the amazing look is the Monal Wardrobe. It is not always true that a good looking item is available at higher rates only. Monal Wardrobe is the true example of that. This is a perfect example of bedroom wardrobe design at very reasonable rates. The six-door wardrobe has handles which are long and square shaped. All the shelves are arranged in a series followed by the pull-out drawers. There is a hanger space available inside. This is a type of wardrobe you can create on top of the wardrobe frame in your bedroom. It consumes less space and gives you more storage for various things such as bags and other necessary articles. They can be arranged above the level of bed and hence it becomes easy for you to use it anytime. This is a popular modern wardrobe used in residential apartments these days. The doors of this wardrobe have vinyl and they are fitted on tracks. They also have aluminium frames. Vinyl wardrobes are lightweight and durable too. These doors look very pretty in your modern bedroom. This wardrobe has silver frame and its door run on tracks. You can use various types of color on these doors to give a cool look to the bedroom. There are many other customization options you can choose for multi-panel sliding door wardrobes. They are extremely beautiful in look and give a perfect elegance to the bedroom. This wardrobe comes with a hanging rail and drawers inside. With beauty, it comes with a perfect space. You can enhance the look of your bedroom with this extra large wardrobe. Vintage wardrobe comes with many drawers and shelves for keeping clothes, jewelry, foils and other accessories. If you are planning to have a cupboard with doors that you can paint in your style, then the laminated door cupboards are a perfect choice for you. You can get your wardrobe laminated with play or timber for more finished look. On the door of these cupboard, you can paint the texture and design that you want. The laminate wardrobe changes the layout of the room completely. You do not have to pay much for these as they come as reasonable rate in the market. They look classy and give the reflection of full room. Glass door wardrobes are affordable in price and easy to use. One of the biggest advantages of this kind of wardrobe is that it makes the bedroom look spacious. This is most preferred wardrobe in modern and traditional homes can be made from any type of material. There are various types of handles which fit on this wardrobe. It usually comes with wardrobe furniture such as safety, lockers and drawers. A metallic touch at the door of wardrobe give a beautiful look to the bedroom. You can choose any color for the metal door wardrobe which suits the room, curtain and bed sheets. They are simple to build them on tracks. It also creates ample storage space. This is an antique wardrobe for the bedroom. It covers all the contents of the wardrobe and gives a glass effect in the room. Optional panel glass wardrobe give modern look to your bedroom and they can match with any color curtain, furniture and bed sheets. This can be in the form of wooden wardrobe or steel wardrobe. You can manage to keep all your clothes, books and other things in this simple wardrobe. It can be placed in any size of the bedroom. It is a portable wardrobe which you can also take in another room. You can choose wardrobe closet for your bedroom. It can be created in a laminated space and give you more space for storage. The doors of this wardrobe can easily fit on tracks. You can choose a space above or below the cupboard for making wardrobe. This is an ordinary wardrobe design used for many years. However, you can turn this simple wardrobe into a modern one by creating a metal sliding door or vinyl sliding door on the outer portion. Thank you for watching the video. If you like my video, then subscribe my channel and like the video. If you get any help, then comment down below. Thank you.